Light it up. 나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. Type. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke. 다 부수고 얼싸 먹고.
Why?
Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and I'm back with another TikTok dance challenge from
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. Break 없는 break.
So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, so remember this is a mirrored view, so this is my left and this is my right. So we will break this down into 4 parts, and the first count that we will practice today is the intro part, okay? So basically we just need to go like this: 5, 6, 7, and then 8. Okay, so again, 5, 6, 7, and then nod. Now let's move on to the next step. So we'll step our right foot, so we go like 1, next left, 2. Again, 1 and 2. Next, right again, 3 and 4. Okay, let's do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, I will just put my right foot here, 5. Okay, so when you put your right foot, and then I will just pop my right hand. So we go like this, and then put it upside down. So when you put upside down, I will just pop my right knee. Pop. Okay, now let's do it one more time. So we go like 1, 2, next 3 and 4. Let's try to count 5 and 6. Okay, so 5 and 6. Next, I will just step my right foot, put it here at the back, and then cross my arms. So cross and then open. From here is I will just step back. Okay, now let's try to count. So from here is we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then slide. Okay, let's do it one more time. Let's take it from the top. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and 5, 6, 7, 8. We go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try a little bit fast. So we go like 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try this in the slow music.
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. Break 없는 break.
Now let's move on to the next step. So from the slide, I'll just move going to the left side, and then I will use my right foot. So I will just step 2 times. So we go like 1, 2. Okay, so again, 1, 2. And then put your left foot here, and then twist. Now let's try it one more time. So from the slide, so we go like 1, 2, step, twist. Next, do it on the right side. So I will just step my left foot 2 times again. 1, 2, step, and twist. Okay, let's do it one more time. So from here, we go like 1, 2, step, twist. 1, 2, step, twist. Now from here is I'll just open my legs just a little bit, and then put my elbows out. So boom, boom. Okay, so 5, 6. Next, 7. So 7. Just make some roll on your hips. 7, and then close, okay? One more time. So from here, 1, 2, step, twist, 1, 2, step, twist, open, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's ride from the top. So we go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1 and 2. Twist, 3 and 4. Twist, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try this in a slow music.
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. 브레이크 없는 바이크, 택도 없는 것들은 택도 안 돼. 오비로 스택이란 나 절대 바꾸 없는 타입.
Now let's move on to the third part of this dance challenge. So after this, now we will move on to the chorus part. So we go like this. So we go like 1 and then brush. Okay, so I'll just brush my foot. 1, next 2. Again, 1, 2. And then go down 3 and 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it 2 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Did you get it? Now let's take it from the top. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and pop, pop, boom. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1 and 2. Twist, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now let's try a little bit fast. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and pop, pop, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's try this in a slow music.
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. 브레이크 없는 바이크. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you.
Now let's move on to our fourth part, and this will be our last step for this challenge. So after the chorus part, now we'll go like boom, boom, pa, boom, pa, ha, ha. Okay, now we'll just break it down. So from here, we ended up here. I'll just open my leg and then break it 3 times. So we go like head, and then your body, and then your knees. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Next, slide going to the right side, and then put your finger here on your lips, and then pop. Okay, so from here, pop, 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 slide, and then pop. Now let's try to count. So from here, we go like 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Okay, from here is I'll just pop my right hand like you were throwing something. Throw and then catch it with your left hand. Okay, so throw, catch it with your left hand, and then turn. Okay, so we will turn going to the right side, turning, and then put your left hand here on your head, roll it, and then put it here at the back. Now my right hand is, I will just place it here on the side and then pop it, okay? So when you pop your right hand, I'll just look here on my left side, okay? Now let's try to put some counting. So from here, we go like 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then the ending goes like this. So I will just wave my thumb, my right thumb. So do it slowly. Now let's try it from the top. Let's do it slowly. So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and pop, pop, kiss, nod, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, 1, 2, go down again, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and wave. Now let's try a little bit fast. So are you ready? So we go like 5, 6, 7, 8, and pop, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now let's try this in the slow music, and then after that we will do the normal speed. So are you ready? Let's go.
나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke. 다 부수고 light it up. 나는 달리거나 넘어지거나 둘 중에 하나야. I'm gonna smoke you up, I'ma smoke you. I'm gonna smoke. 다 부수고
Okay guys, so that's it for today. So hope you learned something again from me. And if you like this video, make sure that you hit that like button, make some comment, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. But before we end this video, I just want to shout out to So that's it, and see you guys on my next video. Peace out.